Hello, my name is Dan, Nowman Niswander. I want to share a song with you. There's so much hatred in the world, and there has been for so long, so much pain and misery and suffering. What is real freedom? We desperately need unity, real hope, and especially love for each other and compassion. Maybe now more than ever, I urge you to open your heart, mind, and soul, regardless of whether you have a belief or not. This opens opportunities for real hope and solutions. Don't be afraid to show compassion. Anyone can be in need, one way or another.